Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the DJI OSMO ACTION 6, a powerful action camera designed to capture your adventures in stunning detail. We found this impressive product online and have added a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. The DJI OSMO ACTION 6 is the latest iteration in DJI's line of action cameras, known for their durability and high-quality performance. With its sleek design and robust features, this camera is built to withstand the rigors of any adventure, whether you're hiking, biking, or diving. It's designed for those who want to capture life's exhilarating moments without compromise. One of the standout features of the OSMO ACTION 6 is its dual screens. The front-facing screen is perfect for vlogging or taking selfies, allowing you to frame your shot with ease. Meanwhile, the rear touchscreen is highly responsive, making it simple to navigate through settings and playback your footage. The camera also boasts 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second, ensuring your videos are as smooth and detailed as possible, even in fast-moving situations. Another remarkable feature is the rock-steady stabilization technology. This innovation ensures that your footage remains steady and shake-free, no matter how intense the action gets. Whether you're running down a trail or capturing a thrilling skateboard trick, this feature will keep your shots looking professional and fluid. Additionally, the OSMO ACTION 6 offers HDR video capabilities, allowing you to capture more dynamic range and detail in challenging lighting conditions. This camera is suitable for a wide range of users. It's perfect for adventure seekers, travel enthusiasts, content creators, and even families looking to document their everyday moments. If you enjoy activities like surfing, mountain biking, or simply exploring new places, the OSMO ACTION 6 will serve you well. Its waterproof design allows you to take it underwater up to 11 meters, making it an excellent companion for snorkeling or swimming. Practical use cases for the OSMO ACTION 6 are nearly endless. You can use it to document epic road trips, capture family vacations, or even create engaging social media content. The ability to shoot in 4K means you can produce high-quality videos that stand out. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to carry, ensuring you'll never miss a moment. In conclusion, the DJI OSMO ACTION 6 is a versatile and high-performance action camera that caters to a variety of users looking to enhance their content creation or simply capture memories in stunning quality. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.